Ikem, I am giving you this money because of your late father was my very good friend. He used to keep to his words. This won't be our last time of doing this business. If you keep to your word.
Mazen Maduka, I promise I will return the money as agreed.
Yeah, here's the money.
Stop right there.
Mazen.
Give the money back. Mazi Manduka, your good deeds is about turning against you.
What are you saying, Chimamanda?
He speaks lies. Return the money now and apologize for taking advantage of his good deeds.
Is he saying the truth?
Mazen, you've known me since, but this is not the first time we are doing this business. I promise I will return this money. I don't know what she's talking about.
My daughter, I've known Ikem for long now. We have been doing this business for decades. He has not come to steal. Don't worry, he will return the money.
Return the money. Mazi Manduka. He wants to use the money and go to Umazi Kingdom and get married to his betrothed Kosi.
Ikem, is he saying the truth?
Mazi Manduka, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mazi.
Chimamanda, how did you get to know about this?
Mazi, please, we are done working at your farmland. Please pay us, let us go. wrong with you? Chimamanda.
Sister.
Chimamanda.
Sister.
Chimamanda.
Sister.
How many times did I call you? What just happened at Maduka's hut?
What happened? Was the money he gave you not complete?
Do you think that I'm joking? Eh? How many times have I warned you not to say things that will land us into trouble? What if that man had denied you? Don't you know if it was to be somebody else, they will beat you up? Kifene Emegi. This should be the very last time you will do this again. In fact, henceforth, if you want to speak or say anything, you have to ask for my permission. I should be the one to give you a go-ahead to say anything or not. In an even Nagwage. Did you hear what I say? Huh?
Never! I will never marry a white tapper. How dare you? Father, do you even know who I am? I am Amalita, the only seed of Mazio Koi, the most famous farmer in our kingdom, and you want to marry me. Are you okay? I will never marry you in your dreams. Will you take your dreams?
Shut up your mouth! What is your problem? What has come over you? How dare you shout my case in that manner?
Father, I didn't mean to. But I cannot settle for this man here. This boy here, I cannot settle for him. How can I settle for a palm wine tapper? This skinny thing. I can never. Me, Omalita, the only daughter of Mazi Okoye, the richest farmer in this kingdom. You want to get married to me? Eh? Listen, I am going out. The moment I come back to this house and you're still here, I'll plug your eyes.
Omalita, but I love you.
You have to go. I will call you back. Let me talk with my daughter. And I will get back to you. You may now take your leave.
My son,
my son, I come. You can carry back my wine.
What is it? Do you know what just happened? Afami is in my compound with his father. He came to ask my hand in marriage. Me! Omalita! He said he wants to marry me. Hey! Hey! But don't worry. Trust me now. I gave it to him hot. Hey! And I told him if I come back to that compound and he's still there, that will deal with him.
Oma, I love what you did to that young man called Afam. Eh? He don't even know his status.
Wow.
To think of it, he think he can marry someone like you. Hey. Someone like you. Hey!
See, Omalita. So among all the maidens in this village, it is that Afam that looks like an ape that came to marry you. Omalita, trust me. If I was there, I will slap him and he will receive the beating of his life.
Calm down.
Calm
down.
My dear friend, I have already done that.
Oma, calm down. You know what? I think that young man wants to use you to navigate poverty. Understand?
Exactly.
Eh?
Yes.
He just wants to use you. You know, when he marries you, everything that belongs to your father automatically become his. Understand?
But he said, if I go back to that house and he's still there,
you are not going alone.
You're not even going alone. We are going there.
If we go back,
all of us.
I adore you, Van Van.
My sister, please, I don't want to go back home. Eh? Please, let's just go to your place. Let's go to your place.
Eh.
I'm in a very bad mood.
Imagine,
Imagine that.
Hey! First we'll just wake up and want to rip bread in the nose.
What was the meaning of what you displayed earlier today?
Father, I don't want to talk about this. Okay? Please, I am inside.
Whoa, it has got to the point you walk out on me?
Father, what do you expect me to do? Do you want me to get married to a palm white tapper? Me? Your own daughter, Omalicha. Father, it is me. I can't do that. Even if I want to get married, not to him. An ordinary palm wine tapper. Mbana.
That is why you get it all wrong, my daughter. Come. Come and sit down. Come. Sit down, my daughter.
Father.
Omalicha, my daughter. It is not compulsory that you must marry a rich man. All you need is to bring a man that loves you closer. And I will make him as successful as you can imagine.
Father, that is it. This is all they do. All these poor men in our community. They will go ahead and get married to a rich man's daughter and then inherit everything her father keeps for her or hers when he's late. And they will still maltreat her. Father, I don't want that for myself. Please.
Like I said, my daughter, it will not happen to you. All you need is to bring the man that will love you. And then leave the rest for me.
Father,
I'll take care of it.
Father, he must be rich. I'll bring a man that loves me, but let him be a rich man. I'm not going to settle for less. I'm not getting married to any poor man.
You're not getting this point, Oma. Just do as I said. Then I will prove to you why I am your father.
Father, please. Let's just stop this conversation, okay? Let me just go and get you your lunch.
Do that, my daughter.
Nam.
Ama.
Came to ask Omalicha hands in marriage and Omalicha turned him down.
Is this why you interrupted the ritual process of Mazibe?
Mama, me, I don't like that man. Mazindu is a very wicked and heartless man. All he knows how to do in this village is to collect people's farmland, money and wives. Mama, I don't like him. Meanwhile, it was out of excitement that I rushed to come and tell you. Mama, it's not only our farm that is asking Omalicha hands in marriage. Even Okoro already drunk is even showing interest.
Alo. Okoro had a drunk?
Mama, I'm telling you.
Huh. Considering how successful Mazi Okoye is in this kingdom, a man without a name is not supposed to ask for his daughter's hand in marriage.
At all.
Anyway, my daughter,
Mama,
your case is different.
Mm-hmm.
You will only attract wealth, riches, and every good thing that marriage has to offer.
Thank you, Mama.
You don't have to thank me. Mm-hmm. It is a bet that every offspring of Amumamiri came with. Eh? Or have you forgotten the daughter of who you are?
No, Mama.
So, go in and take your food.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
I know you like mango.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome. So tell me, what is your name?
Chimamanda.
Chimamanda. That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Chimamanda. 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 Chimamanda.
Stop. Who is pushing me? Stop pushing me. Hey! Look at her! Thief! You are a thief. You stole my heart. Anyway, I am not complaining. You can take it as long as you want. Just take the heart. Take it. I am not complaining.
What are you talking about?
Amaka, please. I want you to give me your heart. Amaka, give me your heart. I promise you, I will protect your heart, your life, your soul with the last drop of my blood. I swear to the gods.
Which blood? You think there is blood running through your veins? It's not blood though. It is palm wine that is running through your veins.
Amaka! Amaka! You say it is palm wine that is running through my vein. Amaka? Anyway, I can never be angry over you. I will never. Okay, let me just tell you my mind. Amaka, I want to marry you. Amaka, I want you to become my wife. Okay. In fact, I am looking for you as my wife. You know, it is you that's supposed to look for me. But in this world, I am the one looking for you. Drink. Once you drink this palm wine now, they will say, oh, lo, lo, lo. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Just drink.
Okoro, it is very obvious that you are drunk.
Amaka, so you are among the people in this community that calls me a drunk. Amaka?
Okoro, please. I'm looking for my sister, Chimamanda. Let me start going before it gets late.
You are looking for my in-law?
And if you want me to take you serious, stop drinking.
Amaka? You are looking for Amanda? My in-law? In fact, Amaka, see, let me tell you. One day you wake up and see yourself in my arms. You'll be shouting, oh, la, la, la. Oh, la, la, la. I know Amanda. You will see her. It's not my in-law. You will see maybe she's resting. But just know it that one day you will realize that Okoro is your husband.
Chimamanda, what? Hey, look at this girl. Chimamanda, where are you coming from? Eh? Do you know I've been going all around this village looking for you? Eh? And since when did you start leaving the hut without telling me? Do you want something bad to happen to you?
I went to play with my friends.
Which friend? Eh? Because Chukwu also that I know traveled with his mother to the neighboring village 3 months ago. So, which friends? Get friends in Nekumakaya. Which friends are you talking about?
I mean, I went to play.
Chimamanda. You have to be very careful. And you have to stop lying to me. I don't want something bad to happen to you. Bikowa. Ngwa, let's go. The food is getting cold. And you know I don't like eating without you.
Where are you going to?
Father. Father, I want to go to the stream.
You want to go to the stream?
Yes, Father.
Where is the pot with you?
I mean, I'm sorry, Father. I mean, I want to go and fetch firewood.
It is no longer water. It is now firewood. Where is the cutlass in your hand?
This is the cutlass.
I see, Amalicha. Finally, the cat is out of the bag. You want to go and see that friend of yours who has nothing to offer you other than bad influence. I think I advised you moments ago.
Father, we are trying to be a better person. And we are working on ourselves, I promise you. Don't worry, Father. I won't be long. Okay? I'll soon be back. I promise.
Nganga buluzo noa odideso chienya nazo Nganga buluzo noa odideso chienya nazo Nganga buluzo noa odideso chienya nazo Nzina nganga buluzo noa odideso chienya nazo Mwata bulyo mwayenu odideso chienya nazo Nzina mmadu bulyo mwayenu odideso chienya nazo Remember, the gods are wise, the gods are clever. You cannot manipulate them.
My name is Omalicha, the only seed of Mazi Okoye, the most richest farmer in our kingdom. What is your name?
My name is Ebubedike.
Ebubedike. I see. You are a hunter?
Yes, I am a hunter.
The gods has really blessed you.
Thank you. What's your name again?
Omalicha.
Omalicha. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I have to be on my way now.
Okay.
Love, one more. Love, one more. Love, one more. Love, one more. Udara barum ito kiedo belofonye. Yo koko. Love, one more.
What kept you on Malicha?
Omalicha, what is funny? She just asked you a question and you're here laughing and smiling.
My dear friends, I have found him.
You have found who?
The man after my heart. I mean, he is everything I want in a man. He has all it takes to be my man.
Omalicha, is it not too early to start feeling like this about a man you just met? Please tell us, who is this man?
My dear friends, don't worry. When the time is right, I personally will introduce you both to him.
I don't understand how he was, how he talks, how he smiles. Can you at least tell us about him?
Nay, don't worry. When the time is right, I will tell you. For now, let it be.
At least tell us his name.
Please. When the time is right, I will let you know.
Omalicha, come and tell us about this man.
Wait for me.
Chimamanda, why is this girl lazy? Eh? And she knows that if you don't go for this farm work, we don't have food to eat. Chimamanda, putawazie kaipono. Chimamanda. Where is the basket?
It's inside. Let me go.
Wait. Let me bring it. Not the club and Maria. Chimamanda. Chimamanda. Chimamanda! I told her to stay here and wait for me.
Namde.
Mazibe.
Yes. Namde. Last time that I was here, my voice was very low because I thought I was talking to a man that is very sensible. But I never knew you are not. You want war. Eh? After warning you, you decided to send those maidens to my land, to my farmland. Eh? Let me warn you. If I see your leg or their legs in that farmland, I don't need to tell you what this my cutlass can do.
Mazibi, what is your problem? No, tell me, what is your problem? You and I know that that land belongs to me. Yes! That land, including the one across the river, belongs to me. The king knows that. The chief knows that. The elders know that. Everybody in this community knows that. So what is your problem? Listen. Let this be the last time you come to my compound and behave such manner. If you try this again next time, what I will do, you will not like it.
Namde, you've woken up a hungry lion, and I'm going to eat you. By the time I finish with you, the king and the gods would be surprised at what I did to you.
You think I'm scared of this? You think I'm scared of your cutlass?
Okay.
Listen, Mazibi.
Yes.
If you don't take time, what I will do to you, you will not like it. Dan, get out of my compound. Leave my compound!
We shall see.
And I'll be waiting.
Nganga buluzo noa, odideso chienya nazo. Nganga buluzo noa, odideso chienya nazo. I'll be waiting. Odide sochienya nazo nganga buluzo noa. Odide sochienya nazo mwata buli onwe yenu. Odide sochienya nazo mmadu buli onwe yenu. Odide sochienya nazo. Remember the gods are wise, the gods are clever. You cannot manipulate them. Chetana the gods umwanya. The gods are clever. You cannot manipulate them. Cheta kwarina nikija fomwego. Odide sochienya nazo nganga buluzo noa. Odide sochienya nazo nganga buluzo noa. Odide sochienya
Chimamanda
nganga buluzo noa. Odide sochienya nazo mwata buli onwe yenu. Odide sochienya nazo mmadu buli onwe yenu. Odide sochienya nazo. Remember the gods are wise, the gods are clever. You cannot manipulate them.
Mazen Nandi!
Yes? Chimamanda, Kerifo, what is it?
Mazen Nandi.
Yes?
Mazibe needs your attention now.
Mazibe needs my attention? But he just left my hut moments ago. Why does he need my attention?
He needs you. He wants to tell you something about his life.
Mazibe wants to tell me something about his life. How? I don't understand. Where are you going to?
Nganga buluzo noa. Odide sochienya nazo 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 mwata buli onwe yenu. Odide sochienya nazo mmadu buli onwe yenu. Odide sochienya nazo. Remember the gods are wise.
Chimamanda, where are you coming from?
I went to the river to fetch water.
Chimamanda, do you want to kill me? It's your boom. You went to the river to fetch water. That you could not even allow me to step out with the farm too so that we can come to the farm together. What is your problem?
No, sir, I wanted to surprise you.
Surprise me with what? I have always told you that before you take certain steps, let me know. If you tell me about it first.
I'm sorry.
Please, keep the water. Very soon now the sun will come out. And we still have a lot of things to do. To see Ebe. Ngwa.
What is wrong now? It's still like it's moving. He moves down and he moves back up again.
Don't touch it.
Hey! Hey!
Nai, no.
Mazibi.
Nai, have a seat.
Thank you.
You sit down.
Mazibi, what is it? You sent for me. What is it?
Yes, I did.
I have a confession to make. You see, to start with, the land never belonged to me. it is yours. But the greed inside me propelled me to take that your land and add to the one that I have already stolen. I am very sorry. Please forgive me. You see, I don't want to die. I don't want to leave my daughter, Chioma. I am the only thing she's having. After the death of her mother, you know, my wife, I am the only thing left for her in the whole world. I am the only thing she has. Please forgive me. I don't want to die. Nandi, please help me.
Nothing will happen to you, Mazibe. As for Chioma, Chioma also have me. I am her uncle. Eh? And you know, I have always warned you to desist from evil. Eh? Turn a new leaf. Now see what this has resulted to. And see, no one knows what is really happening to you. Can you see this? Don't you think we should call Udene, the herbalist, to come and check this thing that's happening to you? Which side is it? We need to call Udene, the herbalist, to check you.
Yes, Papa.
I'm prepared for anything. I'm prepared. I'm prepared. Let me be free.
No.
I'm prepared.
No, Papa, no.
No, don't be afraid. I'll be back.
No, Papa.
I want to be alive for you. No, Chioma, I'm crying.
Come back here. I said come back here. You daughter of a nobody. You have the guts to walk past me without greeting.
I'm sorry.
What did you say?
I said I'm sorry.
I don't get it. I'm sorry. Is that a greeting? I can see you want to experience the other side of me you never knew existed.
I shall go. I don't have time for this, please. I have to run an errand for my father.
How dare you! How dare you call me by my name? You just addressed me by my name. Now, go on your knees and lick my feet. Go! Lick my feet! Stand up! You don't need to kneel to greet me. Yeah? You don't need to kneel to greet me. Yeah? You can go. Who was that young man? He's so handsome. Hey, gods of our land. Look at his lips. His height. I love him already. But I didn't get to know his name and where he lives. Should I go back that place? Yes, let me go back.
Malicha, what are you doing with that?
I'm waiting for my father.
Can you imagine that girl called Choma? Choma has the guts to come to our house, lie that our father is not well, and took yam on credit. Mazindo and his daughter. I know it will never end well with that family. But that is not enough reason for you to carry yam and stand on the road. Eh? Omalicha of all people.
I didn't think it through.
See, at first you got me thinking, no. Because the last time I saw you carrying this yam was when we were younger. When you were in love with Toby, remember?
Good babe. That is a very long time ago. It is not close to what you're thinking.
Please, carry the yam, let's go.
I
want people to come and see Omalicha. Omalicha with yam on the road.
Maybe you should be going. I will come back later.
Omalicha. Let's go before people will see you carrying yam and standing on the road. Seems you don't know who you are.
Let's go now.
Love, 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 one more. Love, love, one more. Love, love, love.
We're starting on that work tomorrow. How do we cope?
No. But we cannot kill ourselves now. Eh? Let's just go and come back tomorrow. The portion is too much. We cannot use this to go. Let's go. Let's go to our Please. I don't have strength to look for anybody. Don't go anywhere. You look.
If I just see no nigga, no one, MSC and Yako, yo, love, man, Ijo was in a chair.
Hey, Timo, man. Hello, cost of our land. Timo, last month some land has been cleared. Who did this? Who cleared the land?
I don't know. Let's go and take our money from Mazi and Luka.
Hey.
I'm sure he'll be proud of us.
Eh?
Let's go and take our money.
Timo. Hey.
Let's go and take our money. Let me finish first.
Within the space of 2 minutes. Eh? Queen?
Let's go and take our money.
Oh, if you're going, I'm coming. I'll pack it. Hey. Timo.
Chimamanda, Amaka, I must commend the both of you. You are really doing well. I went to my farm and I saw what you did. In fact, I am going to add extra money to your money.
Thank you.
This is the money. I added more because of the job.
Thank you.
Just go.
Stop there, sir. Let me have it.
Have what?
Let me have the money my father gave you as extra.
But the money belongs to me and my sister because of the work we did for your father earlier.
Shut up! The only thing you both are good at in this village is working in people's farm. Please, give me the money. I have other pressing things to do with my life.
Daniel, let's go.
Stop it. Go.
What is it?
Give me the money. Don't try me in this community. The only thing you can do is collect the one you work for. You can't collect extra from my father. Did you hear me? Don't try this thing next time. Look at both of them.
What is this now? You know your brother gave us the money.
And so, if my father gave you the money, did you work for it? You can only collect the one you work for. You can't collect extra from my father. Rubbish. Look at them. Don't look at you. Don't look at me with that kind of eye. Look at them. Rubbish.
Nganga buluzo noa odide so chienya nasu Nganga buluzo noa
She took everything.
Nganga buluzo noa odide so chienya nasu Nganga buluzo noa odide so chienya nasu Ngata bulyo mwayenu odide so chienya.
What is all this? First it was Omalicha. Now Achalugo. Does it mean you people don't trust me? Or do we now keep things to ourselves?
No, it is not like that. It's just that some things I'd rather left unsaid.
Really? Is that what it is now?
Where are you going? It is time. The men in this village will soon go to the stream and take their bets. Need to come and wash.
Nne. She usually gets angry for no reason. Achalugo. Achalugo!
Where is Ugegbe?
Which Ugegbe? Hey! Brave Hunter, it seems you got yourself injured.
Yes. I stepped on the trap meant for bushmeat.
I'm so sorry. I have to help you.
Oh, thank you.
Please, next time you have to be more careful.
Thank you.
I have to use hot water on that.
Love, 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 one more. Love, love, one more. Love, 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 one more. Love, love, one more. Udara barum bito, kieto belo fuonye. Yokoko, love, one more. Abowa to silini dobelo ufunwoke ogeli changu. Love, love, one more. Ife dinjo, nke di mamaka. Love, love, one more. Mwambenye hichanya miri na chuku gecheta gi. Love, love, one more. Ife chisi na onyega bono wane emesi anya.
It's okay. I feel better now.
Is everything alright?
Yeah, of course, everything is fine. You can go now. Thank you.
Okay. I'll come back and see you. Okay. Take care of yourself.
Udala dalungo galanya owelunya mebengala mana odalungo wenye utibe chukwu okike imela owa 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 mgbeda makakwa owa munachimo.
The pain has reduced. I no longer feel any pain. Who are you?
My name is Chimamanda.
I know you're Chimamanda, obviously. Who are you?
I'm your friend.
I can see you are gifted. Wait here, let me go in and get you a gift. Okay?
Whatever it is that put my daughter in this mood must be a thing of joy and fulfillment. What gladdens your heart, my daughter?
Mama, I do not know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about. Who is he? What does he look like?
Mama, please stop. I don't understand this, your question and answer. It's not because of a man that I'm here, or it's not about a man. I don't know what you're talking about.
If you say so, I am happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
Who is he? How does he look like?
Stop. Nothing.
Stubborn girl.
Mwambenye hichanya miri na chuku gecheta gi.
Adani.
Where are you coming from? And who gave you all this?
A friend of mine gave me.
That's so kind of depressing. Who is this friend of yours that gave you all these things? Where does she stay?
He's a man. We have known for some times now.
A man? What did you do that made the man gift you all these things?
He's a hunter. And he was caught in his own trap. And he was seriously wounded. And I helped him heal his wound.
You helped him heal his wound? Okay. Ngwanu, come and show me the man so that I can show my appreciation and also know him.
Okay. That'll be next time. He's not around now.
Chimamanda, he's not around. Eh. Eh.
Yes.
So bad, we'll see him some other time. And this your friend, they were so kind. Eh? He's so kind though. Look at everything that he gave you. This thing will last for a while. It will last a while for us. Eh?
This can cook one.
You know, this bush meat is smelling nice. Hey, I get your wish.
Love, 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 one more. Love, one more. Udara barum ito, kieto bero fonye. Yo koko, one more. Abonga to silini do bero fonye.
Am I trying one?
Father.
This is not you. You are gradually losing it. What is it, my daughter?
Father, I am fine. It's just that these few days has been very stressful for me. But don't worry. It is nothing I can't handle.
Tell me, my daughter, what troubles you troubles me as well. Tell me. Let me see. And I will handle it.
Father, I said I am fine. It's just women stuff. Like I said, it's nothing I can't handle.
Women stuff, you say?
Yes, Father.
A moment.
Oh, Father, thank you.
That's my daughter. Anytime, any day. I'll be there for you. Hmm?
Thank you. I appreciate, Father.
My daughter.
Thank you. Thank you.
Daughter.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Oh, let me keep it aside.
I done there.
Love, 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 one more. Love, love, one more. Love, love, one more.
Next one, I'll be the one to cook.
One. Osite, one. Eh? You that always fiam, run away whenever I'm cooking. So how do you intend to cook what you don't know?
But I was here today when you were cooking this one. So I will learn very, very well. I can't even cook it now. I know how to cook it. In the night I'll cook.
Let's go. And go. You know it's not good to talk while eating.
But you're talking.
I won't talk again. When that friend of yours comes back, don't forget to tell me so that I'll go and thank him.
No problem. But he's without a man in his life.
And what am I supposed to do with that information? Eh?
Adane.
Ogine.
You know what I'm talking about?
Enough already. Remember that Mazinam, they asked us to come and see him for the job we'll be starting tomorrow.
Adane, I'm tired. I'm tired of all this work. Let's rest.
It's not the same work that will put food on our table.
Chimamanda, I want to tell you a story. Do you want to hear?
Yes.
Long time ago, in the kingdom of Azura, there lived a king called King Ikechukwu and the queen, Queen Amaleka, who gave birth to Somchi, the prince, and Ada, the princess. Their kingdom is so big that people from so many kingdoms come to their kingdom to trade. But something big and tragic happened. A sorcerer called Malachi came into their kingdom and inflicted them with so much pain and agony. Diseases that nobody knows the cure to. People of Azura, they were dying. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. So the king, Ikechukwu, decided to hold a general meeting with all the knights in the kingdom. Prince Sochi overheard them and decided to, put it upon himself to find solution to their problem. The queen, Angoleka, didn't want the prince to go because he was the only son and she doesn't want to lose him. But the people of their kingdom were dying, and the prince, being so compassionate about his people and his kingdom, decided to take a bold step to find what the solution will be. So the prince went with the knight of the kingdom into the evil forest in search of the sorcerer called Malachi. Some knights died on the way, and some made their way to where Malachi was. They fought so hard to bring Malachi to justice, but Malachi was a great sorcerer that he had to inflict more pains upon them. Some other knights died as well. So it was not left the prince, which, after a long fight, the prince Somchi later brought Malachi to them, and he put him in a cage and brought him back to their kingdom. The people saw how great he was in bringing a solution to their problems. Then they knew that the future of their kingdom is in a great hand. After that, the ones that were still sick got healed, and their kingdom, Azura, got better. And they all lived happily ever after. So, did you enjoy my story?
How big was the house?
The kingdom is big, bigger than our kingdom.
Like this?
No, like this, big. You like it? Not stone. What would I? No, no. We make a oha soup with egusi soup. Chimamanda, why would you say that? I've told you, you can't go hunting. You're a woman. Huh? It's dangerous for you.
But I can hold the gun.
Holding the gun is not the problem. It's not safe for you. And besides, you're a woman.
And I can shoot animals.
Don't worry, I'll teach you how.
What is wrong with you? Have I not warned you to always tell me before leaving the hut? And you know we are supposed to see Maz Ndoka today.
I'm sorry. She was in my hut. My name is Ebubedike.
Amaka.
Amaka. That's a beautiful name. Chimamanda has told me a lot about you. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Love, one more. Love, one more. Love, one more. Love, one more. Udara barum bito, kieto belo fuonye. Yokoko. Love, one more. Aboga to silini do belo fumoke ogeli.
Greetings.
Greetings, everybody. I am sorry about this. See, I love you so much. I have been thinking about you ever since I met you. I can't take you out of my head.
I don't understand what you're saying.
In this kingdom, it is the men that go after the women. But I love you. I really want you. I want you to be mine. Please, just give me a chance to show you how much I love you. I truly love you. I promise. I will take good care of you, okay?
I appreciate your feelings towards me. But it is rather too sudden for us to be talking about love. We should start up as friends first. Then we will see where it leads us. Okay?
Okay.
I have to be on my way.
Okay.
Thank you.
because of a land. I love him. I love everything about him. His aura, his braveness, everything about him is what I want in a man. Ebubedike, I, the daughter of Mazi Okoye, the only seed of Mazi Okoye, must have you. You're going to be mine.
Onye nke na-asị enyi mere enyi ya o. Ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Tiwe na bụ nya ga-eburu oyi. Ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Love, love, love nwa mmụọ. Ayeye. Love, nwa mmụọ. Ayeye. Love.
You have been like this since you met him.
Met who?
My friend Ebubedike. I know you will like him when you meet him.
Chimamanda, please stop. The words you speak are bigger than you.
I like him. And I know he likes you too. The emotion of love was written all over your faces.
I like him. There is something about him that gives me this feeling that he's the one. Do you think he likes me?
No, I don't think so. But I know so.
Stop.
Omalicha, the only seed of Mazi Okoye, the richest and the most successful farmer in our kingdom. To what do I owe this visit? Because I remember I parted ways with you.
You must be very smart to remember every word I said to you. Anyway, I followed you here to know where you live.
I see.
I will take my leave. Father.
Hey!
Nam, I made your favorite.
Really?
Yes.
You cook food?
Yes, Father.
The last time you cooked was when your mother was still around.
Father, I want you to eat and add up for me. These past days, I don't like the way you're looking. So I want you to eat and get fat.
You mean I'm not okay at this size?
Don't worry, Father, I'm coming, okay? Let me go and get you water to wash your hair.
Hey! Aboma. Aboma. Huh.
My child, what troubles you?
Mama, is it not Ebubedike? I am really in love with him, but he does not see me in that light.
Have you told him how you feel about him?
Mama, I cannot do that. I don't want him to start seeing me that low.
I understand you, my child. I understand you. Make him see the good woman and the mother in you.
How will I do that? How?
They say the way to a man's heart is his stomach. Prepare him a very good meal.
Love, oh, love, oh, love, oh, one more. Aye, aye, aye. Love, oh, love, oh, one more. Aye, aye, aye. Love, oh, love, oh, love, oh, one more. Aye, aye, aye. Love, oh, love, oh, one more. Aye, aye, aye. Udara barum eko.
Hi! Because of our land. What is this? Hi! What kind of temptation is this? Eh? Hey, what is this?
Love, oh, love, oh, one more. Aye, aye, aye. Love, oh, one more. Aye, aye, aye. Love, oh, love, oh, one more. Aye, aye, aye. Love, oh, one more. Aye, aye, aye. Udara barum ito, kieto bero fuonye. Aye, aye, aye. Yokoko. Love, oh, one more. Abogo ato siri ni dobere ofu nwoke ogeri changu. Love, nwa mmụọ. Ife dị njọ nke dị mma amaka. Love, nwa mmụọ. Nwa mgbenye hicha anya mmiri na Chukwu ga-echeta gị. Love, nwa mmụọ. Greetings,
Ebubedike. I can see you are preparing for hunting.
Yes. I was about leaving before you came in.
I brought this plantain for you.
Thank you. But I don't want it. There are a lot of families in this kingdom that needs it. Why don't you take it to them?
I do not care who needs it or anything. It is you I brought the plantain for. Or are we going to argue about plantain?
What do you want?
Ebubedike, I want you.
I don't understand.
I love you. Ebubedike, I've fallen for you. I love you.
The wages of sin from the gods is death. You do not expect good when you treat people bad. Achalugo, you need to learn how to treat people good. Because I don't want to entangle myself with the consequences that comes with it in due time.
Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Ọ bụ mmụọ. Ezigbo nsogbu.
Chioma, the daughter of Ibe. You and your father should stop evil. For death is closer than you imagine. Your future is bright ahead. Depart from the ways of your father, for he shall not hear the cock crow before the next full moon.
Omalicha. Omalicha, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? But come to think of it, why am I falling for him? He is just a hunter. But then, he's everything that I want. He's everything that I want in a man is in him. Like, because of our land, what is wrong with me? I can't even think straight. I can't even focus. What is this? This is... I don't know what to do. What am I going to do? How am I going to make him mine? Like, I don't know. How did I end up falling for him? A stranger. A hunter. But then, he's so handsome. Oh. Ah, Malika. Everybody cake. Everybody cake. Everybody cake. Everybody cake.
Okay, boy.
Greetings, everybody cake.
Greetings.
Oh, the gods always smile on you. This grass cutter is very big.
You can say that again. Thank you.
You're welcome. Ebubedike, go inside, take your bait, and come and have a delicious meal I made from my heart for you.
Okay, boy. That's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
But I cannot accept that.
What? Why? Are you rejecting me?
No, I'm not.
You know who my mother is, right? You know you cannot reject Ugebe. No one dares reject Ugebe.
You're getting everything all wrong. I am not rejecting you. Okay, I am sorry, Ugebe. If you don't mind, I would like to go and rest. I had a long day. Okay? I'll see you some other time.
Everybody you don't do that to me. I am Ugebe.
Love, one more. Love, one more. Udara barum ito kieto bero fuonye.
No, it did not work. You need to see the way Ebubedike chased me out of his compound as if I am a daughter of nobody.
Then, he must be obviously blind for him not to see this beauty. He should thank his chi that you are attracted to him.
Mama, I was so ashamed of myself. I felt as if though the ground should open up and swallow me.
My child, don't worry. I know what to do. Just consider him yours.
Are you sure, Mama?
I am sure.
The wages of sin from the gods is death. You do not expect good when you treat people bad. Achalugo, you need to learn how to treat people good. Because I don't want to entangle myself with the consequences that come from treating people bad.
weda makakwa owa munachimo. Onye malu isi gabu ezechi, onye monyo gabu, nya melu otu onye adina, rapunya na chinya kafa mebenu.
Sorry.
Ezigbo nsogbu adigo.
Greetings, Mazi.
You're welcome, my daughter. How are you?
Mazi, I am fine. I came to apologize to Choma. Choma, I am sorry. I know I have not been on my best behavior to you or anyone in this community. Please forgive me. I promise to do right henceforth.
My daughter, you've done well. Choma.
Papa, I own nothing against you, Ashalugo. I've forgiven you already.
Thank you so much. Chi, thank you. Mazi.
Yes?
How is your health now?
Well, it comes and goes, and this one is a different one. But I sincerely believe that according to Bene, with time, I'll be okay.
Mazi, you'll be fine. I beg to take my leave now. Chi, thank you. Thank you for forgiving me. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you. This is new. This one is new. This is the same way our friends have been going around the village apologizing to everyone that have done wrong.
Oh, good. That's good.
Remember, the gods are wise, the gods are clever. You cannot manipulate them.
I have fortified you now. Once you meet him, it is done. Done. It is just.
Hey, thank you, Ne. I'm a mommy name. Darling. May the gods bless you for me.
Bless you too. You get one.
Love, one more. 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 Udara barum ito, kieto bero fuonye. Love, one more. Abowa to silini dobelo ufumoke ogeri changu. Love, one more. Ife dinjo, nke di mamaka. Love, one more. Mwambenye hijanya miri na chuku getitagi. Love, one more. Ife chisi na onyega bono wane emesi anya konga bulele. Iyo koko.
Oyera no. Is anyone home?
Ebubediki, how did you know this hot?
I brought this for you.
Mana odalu ngo wenye otibe chukwu okike imela owa 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 mgbede makakwa owa muna chimo onye malu isi gabu eze echi onye mo onye ogabo nya melu otu onye adịna rapụnya na chinye kafa mebe nuo ezigbo nsogbu adịgo ezigbo nsogbu adịgo ezigbo nsogbu adịgo ezigbo nsogbu adịgo ọ bụ mmụọ ezigbo nsogbu adịgo ọ bụ mụ na onye ga-azọzinụ ezigbo nsogbu onye nke na-asị enyi mere enyi ya ezigbo nsogbu adịgo tire na bụ nya ga-eburu oyi ezigbo nsogbu adịgo love 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 nwa mmụọ love nwa mmụọ love nwa mmụọ udere gbarụ m ịtọ ka edobere ofu onye ihe okoko agbọghọ atọ siri nni dobere ofu nwoke ọ ga-ericha nwa ife dị njọ nke dị mma maka
May the gods be praised. Daughter of our Mama Mary, you look so beautiful today.
Chimamanda, thank you very much. And tell me, why do you sound so happy today?
I'm always happy. Just one thing. Can you take me the way you smile? I love it.
Chimamanda, but you smile just as beautiful as I do. Just like this. And that's it.
Okay, thank you. I have to start going before my sister starts sleeping for me.
Okay.
Amanda, how are you?
I'm fine.
I have a surprise for you.
Thank you.
I hope you love bushmeat.
Yes.
I'll take it to your sister, okay? How are you?
I'm fine.
Why are you here?
I was going to your hut.
My hut?
Yes.
I hope all is well.
Don't worry, let's go, yes. Everybody, where are you heading to?
Okay, well, you need to leave.
Why? Why, everybody? Is it because you know I am in love with you? You know I am so in love with you, and now you treat me as nobody. You treat me like a child. That is so wrong.
Okay, well, you're just overreacting, actually. I want to go check my traps. We can do this some other time.
But you don't go hunting in the evening.
Okay, wait. Like I said, I need to go check my traps before nightfall. I promise I'll come and see you some other time. Okay?
See, I've changed. I am not the same person you used to hear all those ill stuff about. I've rewritten my wrongs.
Chaluko, I can see that. I've seen all the effort you've put into being a new person. And I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I feel so good. And you get to feel real love.
I know.
So,
during the land dispute between our kingdom and Amaduno kingdom, my parents had to travel because of the killings to Amaduno. But the good thing is, they are coming back tomorrow. And I would want to introduce you to them and seek their opinion before I can make our relationship official.
thank you, Obim. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love, oh, love, oh, love, oh, one more. Love, oh, one more. Love, oh, love, oh, love, oh, one more. Love, one more. Udara barum ito, kieto bero fuonye. Iyo koko, love, one more. Aboga to siri ni dobele ufumoke ogeri changwa. Love, one more. Ife dinjo nke di maka. Love, one more. Mwambenye hijanya miri na chuku gecheta gi. Love, one more. Ife chisi na onye gabonu wane emesi anya ko gabonele. Iyo koko. Love, one more. Make emenu manu ijo wasina chia de ma. Love, one more.
Greetings. I'm happy to finally meet with both of you. I've heard a lot of good things about you both.
Is she the one?
Yes.
You cannot marry my son.
I'm a changed person. Yes, everything they said about me is true. But I regret my actions. I don't mind coming to apologize to them. Please help me talk to them, my love.
Chaluko, it's okay. I've heard you. I'll talk to them on your behalf. Hopefully they see the new you. Okay? It's okay. You have to go. And stop by tomorrow before sunset. I'll see you tomorrow.
Love, love, one more. Love, one more. Love, love, one more. Love, one more.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Of course. You just have to go and come back tomorrow before sunset. I have a surprise for you. I'm beginning to see you in that light.
Okay.
So go. I don't want to let the cat out.
Okay.
Love, one more. Mwambenye hichanya miri na chuku gecheta gi. Love mwamo. Ifechi sino nyega bonu wane emesi anyaka onga bulile. Iyo koko. Love mwamo. Makeme numane ijo wasina chia de ma.
My love,
Bobby.
you need to go from here now before it gets dark.
Thank you. But Obin, I don't want to go. I want to go home with you so that I will make you food to eat.
Okay, but that's so thoughtful of you. But you see, I have a place to go to because I have a surprise planned out for you. So I need to go there to arrange the remaining things.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that I want to make us official. I want to tell the whole village that you're my woman. You know what that means? And my parents, they're coming in tomorrow because of this great occasion. So that is why I said go home and come to my hut before sunset tomorrow. Huh?
Okay, Obim.
Okay, Obim.
Bye.
Take care.
Thank you.
I'll be expecting you.
I will come.
Esibon sobu hadigo. Esibon sobu hadigo. Esibon sobu hadigo. Obumu. Esibon sobu hadigo. Obumu no nyega zozinu. Esibon sobu hadigo. Onye nke na-asị enyi mere enyi ya o. Esibon sobu hadigo. Tiwe na bunya ga-eburu oyi. Esibon sobu hadigo. Love, one more.
But when you eat the inside, the when you eat the back, that's when you enjoy this mango very well.
With the seed.
Amanda, how are you? How are this way?
Hey, Dalo. Please, have a seat.
Can I sit?
Yes, you can sit. Do you care for?
No, I am fine.
Okay.
Jamaka, I really like you a lot. I like the way you smile. I like the way you look at me. And most especially, I like the way you always correct Amanda. I love you. I fell in love with you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. You're a great woman. And I wish that you can, give us a chance to be together. You don't have to say anything. And if your answer is yes, I want you to come to my hut tomorrow before sunset. I have a surprise for you.
I'll think about it.
Okay. I'll be expecting you.
So glad you.
I'll be on my way now.
Oh.
Love, one more. Love, one more. Love, one more. Love, one more. Udara barum pito.
Even after what?
Kieto berofu onye. Yokoko. Love wamo. Abogo ato siri ni dobere ofu nwoke oge richa nwa. Love wamo. Ife dị njọ nke dị mma maka. Love wamo. Nwamgbenye hicha anya mmiri na Chukwu ga-echeta gị. Love wamo. Ife chi si na onye ga-abụ n'ụwa na-emesi anya ka ọ ga-abụlile. Ihe okoko. Love wamo. Maka emenu manne ije ụwa si na chi ya dị mma. Love wamo. Love si na chi ya dị mma. Love wamo. Udala dalu nwa galanya owelu nya mebe ngala mana odalu nwa ogbenye otibe Chukwu okike imela ụwa.
Mama,
Why you been like this since yesterday?
Mama, it worked. Guess what? Ebubedike invited me over to his hut. He said he wants us to plant something out. Mama, I think he wants us to come and meet you.
I told you to work.
It did. But Mama, see, you have to make me to look more beautiful.
I know. Come with me.
Oh, ne Mama. Amụma mmiri nne m.
Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Ọ bụ mmụọ. Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Ọ bụ mụ na onye ga-azọzinụ. Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Onye nke na-asị enyi mere enyi ya o. Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Tiwe na bụ nya ga-eburu oyi. Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Love one more. Love one more. Love one more. Love one more.
Chalugo, please sit down and wait for me.
Thank you.
I will join you shortly.
Abogo siri ni dobere ofu nwoke oge richa nwa. Love wamo. Ife dị njọ nke dị mma maka. Love wamo.
Achalugo, what are you doing here? Yeah.
I should be asking you what you're doing here. You came to buy bushmeat. Because I could not remember telling you I was coming here.
What sort of stupid question did you just ask me, Achalugo? My question is, what are you doing in this particular hut?
Ugegbe, if this is a joke, please stop it. I could not remember telling you I was coming here. But you followed me. Please. Ugegbe, you need to leave. You need to go, please. I don't want my man coming out here to see you. Please, go. We will see later in the evening, please.
Who are you referring to as your man? Who is your man? Who are you referring to as your man?
Anytime ants are gathered, just know there is something sweet or honey. Well, how did you both know I was coming to this place?
Hey.
Anyways, I, Omalecha, the only seed of Mazi Okoye, the most richest and famous farmer in this land, in this kingdom, is here to make it official with my man. What?
Is she okay? Are you sure you're fine? Please. I don't want anything that will spoil my mood. I woke up from the good side of my bed. You know what? When you came, you met me here. Please, you both should go home. We will meet at our usual spot. Please!
Let it not
Please
be what
go
I'm
home.
thinking, no. Actually, go. I hope this is not what I am thinking. Oh, what are you doing here?
He's here.
Obim, my love.
Please. You all should sit down. I want to talk to you.
Hey.
Please.
What is going on?
Nothing is going on. Omalecha, please, sit down.
Okay.
Achalugo, sit down, please. Achalugo, sit. Okay, wait, please. Sit down. It's okay. First of all, I want to appreciate you people for coming. I know you are all surprised why you are here. It is time to let the cat out of the bag. The truth is, I love you people. I love all of you.
Hey.
I want to appreciate you maidens for going to the extreme to change your characters to being a better person to the humanity. But my heart beats for another.
What?
Amaka. Mama, how are you? This is the maiden that my heart beats for. I fell in love with her from the very first day I set my eyes on her. She's a good woman with a good heart. Amaka, I wish I could stay here with you. But unfortunately, I need to return my mortal body to my chi.
Oh. Ebubedike, what are you talking about?
Amaka, you're a good woman. And you have a good heart. Okoroha of a monarchic kingdom, the offspring of Ibubago the Third. He is the one that is destined to be your husband. Even before you were born, it has been written in the stars that he is going to be your husband. But I have to leave you here.
No. Leave me and go where?
I need to return to my chi. I don't belong here. I'll miss you. Greeting. I know you like mango.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome. So tell me, what is your name?
Chimamanda.
Chimamanda. That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
I wish I can stay to be in your arms.
Where's the kid? Where's the kid?
Udara barum pito kieto belo fuonye koko love wamo abogo ato siri ni dobelo ofu nwoke ogeri changu love wamo ife dinjo nke di mma maka love wamo Mwambenye hichanya miri na chuku gecheta gi love wamo ife chisi na onyega bunu
My queen. Oh, we are sweeping our compound. Eh? Go inside. Go and bring my in-law. Go and bring them. Tell them that your husband is here. Go inside and call them. Go and call them. Oh, I forgot. They are no more.
Okoro. This early morning. Yeah?
What is it? I said it will come and tell you so that we will go. My queen. Don't worry. In fact, is there food inside?
There is food.
Oh.
Come to Kapumbala, so I'll warm the food and bring for you.
I am waiting. Whoa. Who said I am not lucky to have you as my queen? Who said I am not lucky to have you as my queen? Imagine me. I will just carry you like this. Oh. In fact, I'm my palm wine.
Ezigbo nsogbu adigo. Ọ bụ mmụọ.
You are a thief. You stole my heart. Anyway, I am not complaining. You can take it as long as you want. Just take the heart. Take it. I am not complaining.
What are you talking about?
Amaka, please. I want you to give me your heart. Amaka, give me your heart. I promise you, I will protect your heart, your life, your soul with the last drop of my blood. I swear to the gods. My queen.
Okoro, is this really you?
Yes.
Ogibifa, what happened? Where have you been?
You addressed me as Prince Okoro of Fumachi Kingdom. Yes.
Prince Okoroha of Fumachi Kingdom.
Yes. I was not a drunk. My father, Igbo Merora one for Fumachi Kingdom. He married 2 wives. And my mother happens to be the second wife who has male child. My stepmother, who is the first wife, has only female children. So he got envious of my mother, being the one that's the child will become the king after my father. So he poisoned my drink and made me a drunk. After so many years, the gods vindicated my mother, and I came back to my senses. Yes. You know, I've always called you my queen. Yes. I told my father about you, so he asked me to go and bring you to our kingdom. That's why I'm here. So you go in and dress up, and Chimamanda, I am taking you to my father. Yes.
Prince Okoro! Prince Okoro!
Love, 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 one more. Love, love, one more. Love, 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 one more. Love, love, one more. Udara barum ito, kieto bero fuonye. Iyo koko. Love, one more. Aboga to siri ni dobele ufumoke ogeri changu. Love, love, one more. Ife dinjo dinjo, nke di mamaka. Love, love, one more. Mwambenye hijanya miri na chuku gete tagi. Love, love, one more. Ife chisi na onyega bono wane emesi anyaka onga mulele. Iyo koko. Love, one more. Makeme numani ijo wasina chia de ma.